Hey guys, it's Attorney Watson here with the Watson Firm. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for checking out our YouTube channel and checking out this video. You know, one of the questions I often hear is why does my personal injury case take so long? It's a question that probably every personal injury lawyer hears, and I want to take a few minutes to explain to you why the process is so long. And so there's essentially four stages that typically take a lot of time. And the first stage would be your medical treatment. Say, for example, after your personal injury incident, let's say a car accident, for example, for the next 4 to 6 months, on average, the client is actually treating, getting better, going to physical therapy, chiropractic therapy, treating with doctors, surgery, rehabilitation. And so the lawyer does not immediately submit a claim to the defendant or the defendant's insurance company to try to settle the case. And you could imagine the situation if, say, for example, a client comes in to the law firm and they're severely hurt. The lawyer sends a claim to the insurance company and settles the case the next week or the next month. Well, after the case is settled, the lawyer can no longer submit claims. And so if he settles the case too soon, he can't go back to the insurance company or the defendant and ask for more money. And so what personal injury lawyers do is we wait until the client has completed medical treatment, and then we talk with the doctors to obtain their final opinions with regard to future medical treatment. And so doctors call this maximum medical improvement. And all that means is that they've gotten you as good as you're going to get. And so there's a process of waiting for the client to get better, to get a full picture of the medical treatment before we can try to reach a settlement with the insurance company or the defendant. The next step is after you finish your medical treatment, the lawyer and his team and his staff will go and pull all your medical records and all your bills and your liens. They'll organize it, put a bill summary together, put a summary of the liability, the lawyer's assessment of the case value into a package, and submit that to the insurance company. The insurance company typically has 30 days to review that package and make an offer to resolve your case. Now keep in mind that the lawyer's not going to accept the first offer. He's going to have to call you about the offer. The lawyer will likely have to counteroffer, and then the insurance company will counteroffer, and then you'll counteroffer again, and that could take several weeks as well. You can only imagine the situation where a lawyer accepts the first offer, if it's a bad offer, and settles your case. And so there's some time that it takes to negotiate the case prior to filing a lawsuit. Now keep in mind this. Now, if your case settles, let's just say your lawyer calls you and you accept a $10,000 offer. That doesn't mean you're going to have a $10,000 check here the next day or the next week, or that your case is done. The lawyer next has to go into lien resolution. Say, for example, if you have health insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, Blue Cross. If your health insurance company has paid any of your medical bills related to an accident or incident or personal injury case, they're entitled to have their money reimbursed or paid back to them. In fact, if your lawyer does not resolve the liens, the health insurance liens, he could jeopardize your health insurance benefits. And so lien resolution can take weeks, months after your case settles to make sure that all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. Certainly the next step, if the lawyer can't get the case resolved, is to file a lawsuit. And as we all know, lawsuits take a long time. They can take years to resolve. And so there are several factors that play into why your case is taking so long to settle. Rest assured that you've hired a lawyer to act in your best interest and to handle your case professionally. If you have any questions about the length of time that it's taking for your case to resolve, feel free to call your lawyer. Feel free to call the Watson Firm, speak with your attorney, and he can better advise you as to the steps in the case and the case status. If you've been involved in a car accident or personal injury case, you can visit our law firm at watsonfirm.com, where you can learn more information about the law firm, about our attorneys, about our team, about our success in the courtroom, and what we can do for you. Visit watsonfirm.com, where we demand justice.